Hello friend, this is Dr. Jagmohan Mehe and today I am going to share with you what is organic food and how to identify a genuine organic product. And we'll see some of health benefit of eating organic foods. So let's see one by one. What is organic food? Organic foods are product of holistic agricultural practices focusing on biodiversity, soil health, chemical-free inputs, etc. with an environmentally and socially responsible approaches that have been produced in accordance with organic production standard. So the most commonly organic foods available in the markets are your fruits, vegetables, grains, dairy product and meat. Nowadays there are also many processed organic products are also available such as soda, cookies, breakfast cereals. So out of this, how to identify whether we are buying organic food or not? As there is so much organic stuff in the market, it is hard for the average consumer to sift authentic organic produce from something that may be just cashing in on the trend. So how does one make sure what we are eating is genuinely chemical free? It is not exactly simple, but there are a few checks to do so. And first check, you have to find the certificate and standard. Each country or continent has its own certification and standard to help the consumer identify the organic food. So you have to check the organic food certification such as United States Department of Agriculture, that USDA having its own certification. Similarly, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, FSSAI having its certifications, and also in India, Agriculture and Processed Product Export Development Authority, that APIDA. This is the authorized body, the providing certification for organic food, and EU organic standard also there, and more. So this means any farmer or food producer selling organic food must meet strict government standard. The more certification, the better the chances of the food being 100% organic. Second check you can do, you have to find whether the fruits and vegetable having sticker on them. If the sticker will present the presence of 4 digits, that is PLU, the price lookup code, basically means that means the plough grown with pesticides. And if the 5-digit code starting with 8 means that a GM grown, and 5-digit code starting with 9 means organically grown. In India, we basically have the regular 4-digit PLU, which indicate that it is grown with pesticides. And the third check, you have to watch for this statement on food label like 100% organic. Means this product is made of entirely from organic ingredient. And if the label will be like only organic, means at least 95% of the ingredient in this product are organic. And if they are made with organic, means at least 70% of the ingredients are organic. So that you can identify the food that is truly organically grown or not. If a product contains less than 70% organic ingredient, it cannot be labeled organic or use the any seal. There are some other checks you can do, such as the smell test. The aroma and texture of organic food is totally different and very important. In fact, organic spices, for instance, will have a strong aroma and flavor as they retain their oil content. In non-organic spices, the oils have been extracted and sold separately, so they are devoid of any oil. Plus, they are usually adulterated. So you need to use more to get the same result. You can try ajwain, a long jeera, just eat it raw and you will know the difference. Your tongue will have a strong sensation after half teaspoon of organic ajwain. Similarly, organic apple have a divine fragrance. Keep a crate of organic apples in the house to find out. One problem though is that industry now do a good job for recreating the original smell. The smell of pure ghee, for example, is added in the lab. Some just add the fragrance to make you think you are buying pure ghee, whereas you could actually be buying something totally nutritionless and worthless. So be careful. And another check you can do the size of fruits. Vegetable and grain won't be huge in size, organically grown vegetables. So while purchasing, it's better not to transfer them to your basket. There are of course special cases in which people do grow large size fruits and vegetable organically as well, but they are not the norm and are difficult to find. Next, check that you have to check for the insect or kida or worms in your grain. Presence of worms is actually good news. Naturally grown sabut dals or atta, maida, your brown rice, white rice, other grains will get kida after 2 to 3 months, and especially in the rains, because kida to know that non-organic food is just not edible. So don't jump up and down when you see the worms. All you need to do is wash the grains or sun them out like our grandmother would and still live on 200 years. Kida don't contaminate your food, pesticide do. Similarly, if you see a few holes in the leaves of the grains you are buying, pick up the bunch. It means it is not heavily pesticide. Next difference you could find during cooking, that the organically grown food will cook fasterly and that will be cooked easily. However, food with pesticide need to be cooked for much longer periods. And next, to see the things you have to check its taste. Natural is just tastier. When you cook organic vegetable, you will realize that you need less spices as there is so much natural flavor. Similarly, organic fruits are juicier as they are allowed to ripen on the tree. Otherwise, fruits are usually plucked when they are green, and then they gasset to ripen and increase the shelf life. In the case of a banana, your taste bud will speak up because the pesticide fruit has more water due to the spraying of acetylene gas. Unfortunately, most mango today are artificially ripened, and apples have the maximum pesticides. The adage, an apple a day keeps a doctor away, is actually only for the organic apples. This is all about your list to check to do before purchasing. Now let's see whether organic food have any health benefit or not. There is some evidence suggesting that organic food have health benefits. For example, several lab studies found that their higher antioxidant content help protect cell from damage. And the animal studies show that organic diet may benefit growth, reproduction, and the immune system. One study also reported that chicken fed an organic diet showed reduced weight gain and have a stronger immune system. Observational study in humans have linked organic food to a lower risk of allergy and eczema in children and infants. A large number of observational study of 6,23,080 women found no difference in cancer risks between those who never ate organic foods and those who ate it regularly. So similarly, another study found that antioxidant levels were higher in men following an organic diet. However, this study was small and not randomized. So when 16 people followed an organic or conventional diet over 2-week period, those in the organic diet have a slightly higher level of certain antioxidant in their urine. Yet this study also had limitation that may have caused the difference. Unfortunately, there's simply not enough strong evidence available to confirm that the organic food benefits human health more than conventional food. So more high quality study are needed so that we can get information about this organic food. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks a lot.